Welcome everyone to this podcast, which will be the first of a series about CoFlight Cloud Services, also known as CCS. For this first interview, we received Federico Ferrari, member of the CCS steering group. So hello, Federico. Could you please first introduce yourself?
Hello. Yes, my name is Federico Ferrari. I work in ENAV, the Italian air navigation service provider, as air traffic controller since 2003, with operational experience in Padova ACC and Roma ACC, where I worked in the operational room until the summer 2019. In 2013, I started working in International Strategies Department, providing my operational expertise, especially on the evolutions of the ATM system for the operational applications, being directly involved in SESAR activities related to the interoperability between flight data processing systems and the air-ground data exchange. Since last year, then I have had the privilege to fully join the CCS team, representing ENAV in the steering group, the governing body that provides guidelines and main orientation to CCS program, subject to the strategic indications provided by the Directors Committee.
Thank you, Federico. Can you now tell us more about CCS new objectives after this particular year?
Yeah, for sure. 2020 was a turning point for CCS, moving from the definition of an idea into something tangible. We signed the first service contract, the technical integration service, namely TIS, with the SkyGuide, the Swiss NSP, and the contract is currently in execution. Then looking at 2021, we are working on the three following main objectives, which are the first, the continuation of the successful provision of the TIS to let SkyGuide go ahead with the creation of its virtual center. Then the development of additional services. The next in sequence will be the initial validation service and TIS enhanced that will be delivered in September 22. Finally, important, the coordination with the national supervisory authorities to define the regulatory framework for the provision of the CCS services.
Thank you, Federico, for this precision. So would you like to add something in conclusion of this interview?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you. In conclusion, yes, CCS is already delivering its services based on CoFlight product, which is continuing its evolution in order to serve DSNA, ENAV and SkyGuide, but also representing an opportunity for the wider ATM community with its cutting-edge technology for the delivery of high-quality services.